Hi, today we're going to be evaluating indefinite integrals, and this is the integral we will be evaluating. 4 pi plus the third root of x squared plus x to the e plus 1 over 1 plus x squared. So this is a fairly simple problem. I will show you how to do it. Damn this camera. So we need to separate these out. Doesn't apply to every problem, but it does to this one. Plus, and while we do this, we can also simplify. For example, the third root of x squared is really just x to the 2/3. Okay, so what I've done is I've broken this up into little pieces down here, and I've simplified the third root of x squared to become x to the 2/3. They're the same thing. It makes it easier to evaluate. So I've broken these down, and now I can find the antiderivative of each one and then combine them together. It makes it much easier. So the antiderivative of 4 pi is 4 pi x. And then the antiderivative of x to the 2/3 is going to be, alright, here's what we do. When you're finding the antiderivative of x to the 2/3, what you need to do is add 1, in this case 3 over 3, to the exponent, and add the total that you got, the exponent to the denominator. So here's what we're doing. So I get x to the 5/3 over 5/3, but then you see what we can do? We can multiply it by the reciprocal 3/5 to make this a neater problem. So plus 3/5 x to the 5/3. Alright, we got that. This is 3. Plus x to the e plus 1 over e plus 1. You see, this is another exponent with an x. So you just add 1 to this exponent and then add the total to the denominator again. And now this, 1 over 1 plus x squared. Are you familiar with this at all? Because it's really arctan x when you find the antiderivative. So when you think of 1 over 1 plus x squared, that's arctan x when you're finding integrals. And then top this all off, we get plus c, however you want to fit it, because the dx, if it's not a definite integral, which means if you're not actually calculating towards specific values, you add a c at the end. All right, so our answer to 4 pi plus blah 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 is 4 pi x plus 3/5 x to the 5/3 plus x to the e plus 1 over e plus 1 plus arctan x plus c. Don't forget the plus c, please. Very important.